Hello guys, welcome to the Rising AI channel. As you can see in the background of this video, I will show you how you can earn passive income by producing videos with artificial intelligence. Let's move on to our video without wasting any time. First of all, I want the artificial intelligence to write a children's story. Now we immediately go to the Leonardo A website. We change the ratio of the images we will create to 16:9. Now we find some prompts from the story we created and we start creating visuals of our story using these prompts. While our visuals are being prepared, do not forget to like and comment if you want to see more of this content. Yes, our first image has been prepared. We are downloading it immediately. We enter another prompt by preparing such videos. You can earn good views on YouTube and earn good passive income from these videos. Of course, while doing this, you should pay attention to the title, description, and cover image of the video. These are important. I will prepare another video about this, stay tuned. I want to edit this image a little more. It is a beautiful image. Since I entered the site again, it was created in short video format. We need to fix this. I will make the image the size of a YouTube video. Started to look beautiful. I create the other parts in the same way. Lastly, I will delete the ears in the girl's hair and save my image. I do not create other prompts so that our video is not long. Now we move on to the next step. Yes, now we enter our site and upload the images we create here. This site gives depth to our images and turns them into videos. I make the necessary adjustments. You can create beautiful videos by adjusting these settings according to your wishes. I quickly upload my other images and follow the same process. Our next steps are to combine these videos and turn them into a YouTube video. First, we need to voice a text and then add subtitles to it. We downloaded our first image. Now let's convert our second image into a video. Yes, we came to our voice, oversight. Now we select the voice we want from here and paste the story created by artificial intelligence here. Now we come to combine all the videos we have created. We upload our videos to the CapCut program, then we upload our videos to the timeline. We upload our audio file below. I zoom in on our video and want it to move to the right, and I create keyframes. I do the same for other videos. If you add effects to your videos, they will be more interesting and people will watch them more. You can add effects from this program and get a more beautiful video. Especially children watch and like these types of videos a lot. If you create such videos and continue to post videos, you can reach good places after a certain point. Remember, continuity is very important on this path. And then to create our subtitles, we click on the text section above, and click on the text section above, and click on the auto caption section. Then we press the create button and wait a while. After our subtitle, I change the font of the text and make the necessary adjustments. You can change it as you wish. If you play with the colors of the video a little, this will make the video more beautiful and have better quality. For this, from the adjustment section, we bring the custom adjustment to the top of our timeline and make the saturation of our video and some adjustments. Yes, our video is ready. Now we click on the export button in the upper right corner to save it and save our video. Now it's time to watch our video, but before that, if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye, to see you in other videos. Let's move on to our video immediately.
Once upon a time in a quaint village, nestled at the edge of an ancient forest, lived a curious child named Lily. She had heard whispers of a magical forest filled with wonders beyond imagination. One bright morning, she gathered her courage and set off on an adventure. As she ventured deeper into the forest, the trees whispered secrets, and the flowers sang songs of ancient tales. Lily stumbled upon a talking squirrel named Squeaky, who became her guide. Squeaky led her to a sparkling stream, where they met a mischievous water sprite who played pranks on passing travelers.